Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope so you all are fine with the blessing of Allah Almighty. Today our topic is write parts of body. KG2 class. Today we are going to write and learn the name of parts of body. So first of all of you take your pencil and complete this task with me. Okay students, let's start. The first picture is a leg. This is a leg. Now students, here we will write the spellings of leg like this: L E G, leg. Read with me: L E G, leg. The next picture is eye. This is an eye. Here we will write the spellings of eye: E Y E, eye. Now students, read with me: E Y E, eye. The next picture is lips. These are lips. Here we will write the spellings of lips like this: L I P S, lips. Now students, read with me: L I P S, lips. The next picture is ear. This is an ear. Here we will write the spellings of ear like this: E A R, ear. Now students, read with me: E A R, ear. The last picture is nose. This is a nose. Here we will write the spellings of nose like this: N O S E, nose. Now students, read with me: N O S E, nose. Okay students, it is our today lesson. I hope you have understand it. Goodbye.